There are various ways you can try to keep your feet smooth, healthy, and hydrated at home. Do you have dry, flaky skin on your feet? Feel ashamed to take your shoes off in public gatherings? Many of us face this problem often. We spend a lot of time to take good care of our face, but we hardly care about our feet. That is why various skin problems like dry feet, cracked heels, flaky skin appear repeatedly. If you want to know the ways to take care of your feet at home to get smooth skin on your feet, then watch on. Here are 7 effective ways to take care of your feet to make your feet healthy and smoother. 1. Natural exfoliation is needed. Skin issues mostly happens if you do not exfoliate your skin well. The feet are no exception. So exfoliation is always needed. Dip your feet in lukewarm water for 5 to 8 minutes. Now take a loofah or a scrubbing stone to wipe off all the dead cells from your feet. After that, pat your feet dry with a towel and massage them with natural almond oil. Cover it with socks for at least an hour. Feel the hydration and get salon-ready feet at home. 2. Use banana pack on your feet. Bananas are amazing to cure skin problems even when it comes to the harsh and tough skin present on your feet. Bananas are a natural moisturizer. It contains vital vitamins for skin like vitamin A, C, and B complex. To use banana on your feet, mash 1 banana with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this thick paste on your feet and rinse it off after 20 minutes. Do this twice daily for 3 days and see the amazing result. 3. Use aloe vera regularly. Aloe vera is the jack of all trades. It is great to heal dry feet too. It is enriched with vitamin A, E, and C, and antioxidants. The only thing you have to do is to apply aloe vera gel right after washing your feet every time. Keep doing it regularly and see the positive result in just 3 days. For lemon and sea salt. Squeeze out the juice from a lemon and add 1 spoon sea salt to it. Now rub this mixture on your feet. You should cover both the upper and lower skin of your feet, rub the upper skin lightly and the heels more rigorously. Continue scrubbing for 10 minutes and then leave for 15 minutes. Wash off with plain water and pat dry before following with a moisturizer. Lemon will help in giving the skin of the feet a cleaner and well-toned complexion, while the sea salt will work as a natural scrubber and will also help in smoothing out the skin of the feet. 5. Milk and sugar. Take 1 tablespoon raw milk in a bowl and mix 2 teaspoons sugar in it. Now slowly and gently scrub this mixture to the upper side of your feet. Rubbing this mixture onto the fingers of your feet will help in lightening any discoloration or spot and at the same time will moisturize your skin. Continue rubbing with the mixture for at least 10 minutes, then leave for 15 minutes more. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. Follow with a moisturizer. 6. Honey and turmeric. Mix 2 spoons of honey with 1 spoon of turmeric paste and apply this pack on your feet while rubbing it in. Let it set for 30 minutes, wash off with cold water and pat dry. Follow with a moisturizer only if you need because honey itself is very moisturizing. 7. Papaya with milk. Papaya is a great natural bleaching agent, and raw milk is also believed to be very effective in giving a smooth complexion to the skin. Mix 1 cube of papaya with 2 spoons of raw milk and rub in this paste on your feet. Leave for 30 minutes and wash off with plain water. Follow with a moisturizer if needed. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of dead skin, calluses, foot odor and fungus on feet using apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.